Hello YouTube, so I got this Super Radio, is the third generation, Model 3 if you want, and when I got it, all the buttons, I would just move them and they make a lot of noise, cracking noise in the speaker. So like a lot of interference, very weird. This one, it still does it. I'm going to show you how I fixed the volume one and perhaps the tuning, the treble and bass one, but the noise was something like this. So if I would, it was really something like very crazy noise on all buttons.
Dans le secteur. Partout
Let's
ailleurs, bon, c'est pas à pleine vitesse, mais
just dim it a little bit. So for this one I could not fix them, but for this one you could do it. It's very easy. Again, so the volume button also was making that crazy noise, but right now it's working very nicely, so just listen.
sont attendus encore pour le reste de l'après-midi là, avec des rafales allant jusqu'à 70 km/h, évidemment, qui vont réduire la.
So absolutely no interference, no crackling or whatever you call it, and it's extremely easy to do. I'll explain also why. Just turn it off first. Find the button. Where is the button? Okay, turn it off so you don't make too much noise. And what you want to do is grab the button and just make it like you would do, make it like a DJ stuff if you want. Just rotate it fast enough, but try to cover the entire range of the button, and just maybe you call this wiggle, I don't know, do like this for maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds, don't need to go for 2 hours, so just a little bit like this. And what happens is that there is a metal ring inside, and that's the surface of that ring is copper, and copper, because these are 20-30 years old, copper does oxidize with time, and you just get a small layer of oxidizing, and that layer makes poor contact. And when you just kind of wiggle, perhaps I'm just not very good with English. When you wiggle like this, it's just making more like a lot of friction around that small ring, and it's just clearing that oxidation. It's just removing by friction that oxidation. So that makes the contact to be correct from that moment on. You can do that for these two buttons, treble bass. This one, it's not exactly easy. I tried to wiggle up and down. It did help, but not really good enough. It's completely different because this is linear, small linear tab of metal, but this being round, it works. So even the power button makes some crackling. You see when I will start it, you have that small crackling, but at least the volume button, it's working very nicely now.